Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus integration by substitution is actually super fast if you follow these 3 simple steps to transform your integral correctly. Let us dive right in now. First, we set u equal to x squared plus 1. Differentiating gives du equals 2x dx, which means x dx is 1/2 du. That is our first big step done. Next, we must update our bounds. When x is -3, u becomes 10. When x is 2, u becomes 5. Don't forget to swap them because that is super important. Finally, substitute everything into the integral. We get 1/2 times the integral from 10 to 5 of 1 over the square root of u du. That makes option D correct. Got it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid retaining old limits or dropping the half. Always update bounds and use do factor.